Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
The Kreepy Krauly Lil Shark is more than a fun addition to your above-ground pool. It combines superior design and powerful cleaning into the most dependable cleaner you can buy. Getting started is easy. Simply attach the hose and watch it go to work automatically. Propelled by bristle design, Lil Shark cuts a 10-inch cleaning path, dislodging even the most stubborn dirt and debris. No matter the pool size or shape, Lil Shark's 5 adjustable settings let you customize the cleaning pattern for the best possible coverage. And with only one moving part, you can enjoy years of dependable cleaning. When the Kreepy Krauly Lil Shark is patrolling your waters, you'll never have to worry about dirt or debris again. With a complete lineup of innovative pool cleaners, Pentair means more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning it.
Thanks for watching.